Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how to identify the strong levels, how to identify the weak levels. I will explain, and this two types of levels identify this market. First, strong level. Okay. Second type, weak level. So weak levels sometimes are not respected, and strong levels, this say 90% of respected the market. Okay, so how to identify the strong level and weak level? Okay, I will explain you. First, how to identify the strong level. This is a very strong buyer center of the market. This is a big candle. This is a support area. Okay, and this is also very strong candle, strong body, strong candle, and this also very strong candle. Okay, so suddenly some enter the sellers. The strong momentum stop at this point. This is a strong sellers area. Okay, so this is a very strong sellers area. So that's the reason some sellers enter the market. The strong force stop at the sellers. This is a very strong sellers area. So second method, how to identify the weak levels. This is a very strong candle, and second candle also some weak candle, third candle also very weak candle, and this candle also very weak candle, some buyers. This is a resistance level. So there is no interest at the buyers. That's the reason some sellers enter the market. Okay, so this is a weak level. So the strong force stop at the sellers. This is a very strong level. This is a weak force. Weak force after some sellers enter the market. This is a weak level. Why? Because some buyers are not interested at this level. So that's the reason some sellers enter the market. But this scenario, very strong level, the strong bullish momentum stop at this sellers. This is a very strong level. So this weak bullish momentum stop at these sellers. This is a very weak momentum. Okay, so buyers weak at the market level, and this very weak buyers entry. There is no buyers interested at the market. So that's the reason some sellers enter the market. So this scenario, some strong buyers interested at the market, but still some sellers stop at this level. So this is a very strong level. Okay, so this is a very strong level, this is a very weak level. So I will show you on chart. You can see this is a live chart. I will explain you. Okay, you can see this is a very strong momentum. There is no weak candles at the level. Some sellers enter the market. So this is a very strong level. Again respected this market. Okay, second time is it can use the double bottom perfectly. Okay, so this is a very strong momentum suddenly stop at the sellers. Again some try to break this level, but don't break this buyers. Why? Because this is a very strong level. So that's reason again respected the market. This is a live market. You can see very strong candle. This is a very strong candle. After this bullish momentum, there is no weak at the buyers. Again some sellers very strong enter the market, and again going to at the level some buyers, again some sellers entry. Okay, so this type of level, it's a very strong level. You can expect at the next sellers entry point. Okay, so I will show you. You can see this is a weak candle. This type of situation, again some weak sellers enter the market, again some buyers. So this is not a strong level. You can see next level at here. but there is no enter the sellers. Again middle of the trend, reverse the market. Okay, so this is a weak level, again does not respected the market. You can see, and there is a level, actually there is a gap. Again this candle closing point at the level, there is no respected the market. Why? Because this is a weak level. Okay, previously also some weak sellers, again some buyers enter the market, but after this candle you can place a higher option, you lose this trade. You can see small bearish candle. Okay, this is not a strong level. Okay, so already some sellers weak at the market, there is no sellers interested at the market, so that's the reason some buyers enter the market, and this is a very strong level. Why? Because this is a strong buyers suddenly stop at this level, again some sellers are very strong, so this is a very strong level, consider the resistance level. Okay, you can see, you can expect at this strong level, you can expect at the double bottom. Again strong buyers enter the market, still respected. Okay, so strong force suddenly stop at this level, it's a very strong level. Again it respected the market, so many times it's giving a winning trades. Okay, so I will explain. You can see this is a very strong seller suddenly stopped at the level. This is a very strong sellers suddenly stopped at the level, some buyers enter the market. So again candle closing point at the level, you can place a higher option directly. There is no weak at the sellers, still this is a very strong candle, bearish candle. Again suddenly some buyers enter the market, so this level some buyers are very interested at the market. So again this candle closing point at the level, you can place a higher option. This candle, this is a very strong level, so this level sometimes make a weak bearish candle, again some buyers enter the market, this is some weak level. But strong candles closing points is very strong levels. Weak candles closing at the levels, weak levels. Okay, I'll show you one more. This is also very strong level, but does not reach the level, and this is also very strong level. Okay, this is a very strong level. So you can expect at the reversal point, but this candle breakout. Okay, after breakout some buyers weak at the level, again this candle closing point at the level, it's make a retracement, again closing point at the level, you can place a higher option also. This resistance level turn into a support level, so you can place a higher option after this bearish candle. You can see this is a respected level, and this also very strong candle closing point at the level. This is a very strong bearish candle closing point at the level, you can expect at the next reversal point at here. I'll show you. You can see this is a very strong candle closing point at the level, again suddenly some sellers enter the market. Okay, again touch the level, this is a rejection candle, it's a very good opportunity, you can place a trade. Touch and rejection, some sellers are very interested at the market. Okay, this is a very good opportunity, this is a confirmation. Why? Because touch and it's make a rejection. Previously some candles are very strong, this strong candle closing point at the level, it's a very strong candle. Okay, So what is the weak levels? You can see so many candles, some buyers and sellers. So some traders are very strong level at this level. Some traders recommended that this type of reversal point uh, recommended the very strong level, but this is not a strong level. You can see so many times some sellers and buyers fighting this level, but again this candle closing point at the level, but there is no buyers enter the market. It's break the level. Okay, so it's break the level, and this is a resistance level. It's break the level after again some sellers entry. So this type of market, it's not good. Don't select this type of support and resistance levels. Okay, and this also strong level. You can see this is a very strong level. Okay, it's break the level. Okay, it's break the level, and this also it's break the level. Okay, this is also very strong level. It's a very strong candle closing point at the level. Some sellers enter the market. So this is a very strong level. Again, this candle closing point at the level, you can expect at the next sellers entry point. Okay, this it's make a not weak bullish candles, very strong bullish candle after some sellers enter the market. Again, closing point at the level, you can expect at the double bottom. Okay, this is a good strategy. You can use the strong support and resistance levels. There is a weak some buyers, again some sellers enter the market, but there is a gap. Sometimes you can place a higher option. This is a fail this trade. Why? Because this is a weak candle at the resistance area. Okay, there is a gap. Sometimes this momentum, it's make a try to fill this gap. Again, this is a very long wick candle. Okay, don't trust this type of market. Exactly strong level, closing point at the level, you can place a higher option. And this also very strong level, and this you can see this candle closing point exactly at the level, you can place a lower option. This is a touch and rejection. This is a very good sign of reversal, and you can place a lower option, this candle. And this is a very strong candle closing point at the level. Again, some sellers are very strong enter the market. Okay, so weak candles closing again make a reversal. This type of candles, this type of weak candle closing point at the resistance level, so you don't trust the double bottoms. Okay, so very strong candles, suddenly some buyers enter the market, suddenly some sellers enter the market, you can try to expect at the double bottom. Okay, why? Because this is a very strong level, stop this level, very strong candle, stop this level, so you can trust this level again. Okay, don't expect at the triple bottom, so you can use the only single double bottoms. And same scenario apply the support levels. Okay, this is a very strong support level, again respected the market, very strong buyers entry. This is a very strong sellers entry, stop it suddenly at this point, you can place a higher option. Okay, at that level, and this is a very strong candle, you can see previously some sellers are very strong, again some buyers are very strong enter the market. This is a momentum. This type of market, you can use the double bottom confirmly. Blindly you can go with buyers, again double bottom. Okay, I will show you. And there is a level, exactly you can see candle closing point at the level, you can go with buyers blindly. Okay, so 90% of giving this winning ratio, these type of strong levels. Don't use this type of weak levels. Okay, this is a very small candles. This is seller rejection also. This type of market very strong candles closing suddenly some, and this is also very strong level. So I will already explain you. Weak candles level, there is a weak. Strong candles level, that's a strong level. Okay, so this is a very strong level. Again candle closing point at the level, some buyers enter the market. Okay, use only second time, don't use the again and again. Okay, it's breakout, again this candle closing point at the level, but this make a doji candle after, some buyers enter the market. So sometimes are third time it's respected, sometimes are not respected. Okay, market you can use only double bottom. This is a best strategy. Okay, I hope you this video strong levels and weak levels explain the clearly, and I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And if you want pure price action, this binary option video course, join my Telegram video course. Okay, thank you.